Changing the page name. So on any of the pages, you'll see the name of the page up here in the browser. If we go to another page, you can see that support shows here. So how do we change this page name? Let's go into the admin and to pages. That's site and pages. Let's go down to the support page and click the gear icon on the page. Let's put get support and click update. Now we've changed the name of the page to get support. Let's look at it in the site. Let's go to support, and up the top you can now see it says get support. That's how you change the page name for any pages in your site.